This is a short overview of stage one of the plan to get this amazing radial engine up and running. Being a helicopter engine does of course mean that it is essentially lay on its back, which makes accessing any of its ancillaries almost impossible. The first task is to build a steel frame so the engine can be lifted into the vertical position. All of the angled iron has been procured and cut to length, so with my new pillar drill and limited resources, let the drilling and bolting commence.